Today I'm sharing a quick preview of Make Minecraft Games, one of 4 books in the Throw a Minecraft Party series. Click the link below the video to buy the book or navigate to my playlist to preview all of the books in the series. This book has all the best game ideas you need to throw a Minecraft party or to make these Minecraft games on any day of the year. Cup Smash, Gassed Pinata, Pin the Tail, Mining Game, Creeper Bowl, Crafting Challenge, Apple and Donut Bobbing, Pass the Bomb, Creeper Toss, Treasure Hunt. Extra tips. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn Martin Books for more complete read-along stories with comprehension questions, drawing, and writing activities, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for printable and play-based no-prep preschool and K-12 curriculum and free learning principles for homeschool or the classroom. Thank you for reading with me.